Welcome to the Tech Mechanic. Today's breakdown is part of our Azure Cloud Architecture Master Series. We have already completed our Solutions Architect and System Design Master Series. To keep things fresh, we will not repeat topics covered in those sessions. Please check out the Solutions Architect and System Design playlist to catch up on those discussions. Let's dive into today's topic. Imagine you start a company today. Within a few years, millions of customers begin using your application. Your servers become overloaded, storage runs out, and users from different countries experience slow performance. 20 years ago, companies had to buy new servers, build data centers, hire networking teams, and wait months before they could scale. Today, companies like Netflix, Amazon, Microsoft, and thousands of startups can scale within minutes. The reason is cloud computing. Before we learn Azure, we first need to understand why the cloud changed the entire technology industry. Before cloud computing, every company had to build its own IT infrastructure. They purchased physical servers, networking equipment, storage devices, backup systems, cooling systems, and even generators for power failures. This required huge investments before a single customer could use the application. Scaling was slow, expensive, and risky. Imagine your shopping application suddenly becomes viral during a festival sale. If your servers are full, you can't instantly buy and install new hardware. You may lose customers simply because your infrastructure cannot keep up. Companies also had to handle hardware failures, software updates, backups, security, and disaster recovery on their own. These challenges led to the rise of cloud computing. Think about electricity. You don't build your own power plant, you simply pay for the electricity you use. Cloud computing works in a similar way. Instead of buying servers, companies rent computing resources over the internet and pay only for what they consume. This makes technology affordable, flexible, and scalable for businesses of every size. Today, 3 companies dominate the cloud market. Microsoft provides Azure, Amazon offers AWS, and Google provides Google Cloud Platform. Each operates massive global data centers that businesses can use without owning physical infrastructure. Public cloud means resources are shared and managed by providers like Microsoft Azure. Private cloud is dedicated infrastructure owned by a single organization. Hybrid cloud combines both, allowing sensitive workloads to remain on premises while other applications run in the public cloud. Many large enterprises use hybrid cloud to balance flexibility and security. Cloud computing offers many advantages. Applications can be deployed within minutes. Resources can automatically scale during peak traffic. Services are available across the globe. Organizations pay only for what they use, and cloud providers invest heavily in security and reliability. These benefits allow businesses to innovate much faster than traditional infrastructure. Let's use our shopping app example. On a normal day, 1,000 users visit the application. During a festival sale, traffic suddenly jumps to 1 million users. In an on-premises setup, the application might crash. In the cloud, additional servers can be created automatically within minutes to handle the increased demand, then removed again when traffic returns to normal. A solution architect doesn't choose cloud because it's fashionable. They choose it because it solves real business problems. If a company wants to reduce infrastructure costs, serve customers globally, improve reliability, or deploy faster, cloud computing provides the right foundation. Let's summarize. Cloud computing transformed the way applications are built and operated. Instead of purchasing and maintaining physical infrastructure, companies rent computing resources on demand, paying only for what they use. This enables faster deployment, automatic scaling, global availability, and improved reliability. Understanding these fundamentals is essential before we begin exploring Microsoft Azure. In the next video, we'll take a tour of Azure's global infrastructure and discover how Microsoft operates one of the largest cloud platforms in the world. Whether your goal is to become a solution architect, cloud architect, AI architect, or simply a better software engineer, TheTechMechanic is your learning destination. Like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay ahead in your tech journey.